India has the second largest population in the world. India is also known as Bharat, Hindustan, and sometimes Aryavart. It has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The states are famous for their specialties, like Kashmir for its scenic splendor, Delhi for its historical significance, Assam for its diverse wildlife and abundant natural resources, Goa being the most favorite destination among the tourists, West Bengal for its significant architectural and natural heritage, Kerala being the most literal state, and the list goes on. Every state has its own cultural heritage and tradition, yet they are united. This marks unity in diversity among the states.
Religion in India is characterized by a diversity of religious beliefs and practices. There are a variety of religions in India, and people have the freedom of professing and practicing the religion of their own choice. 79.8% of the population of India practices Hinduism, 14.2% adheres to Islam, 2.3% adheres to Christianity, 1.72% adheres to Sikhism, 0.7% adheres to Buddhism, and 0.37% adheres to Jainism and Zoroastrianism. As clearly stated by the quote, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब आपस में भाई भाई. As clear as crystal, this means that no matter what religion one might hail from, there persists a feeling of fraternity amongst all. Throughout India's history, religion has been an important part of the country's culture. Religious diversity and religious tolerance are both established in the country by the law and custom. The Constitution of India has declared the right to freedom of the religion to be a fundamental right. At last, I would like to conclude by stating that India is a diverse country with many religions coexisting at the same time. Thank you.
Today I want to tell you what type of language used in India. India is heritage in language. Literature is the one of the most richest in the world. Some of the language were used in ancient time and had the richest literature and become a extinct, and other remain important. As Sanskrit is a no longer language, it is still a language that many uses in religion, ritual and literature. As the old language they left in the mark of other language we are speak today. The 18 language which are mentioned in the constitution in India. Hundred of the language we are speak by the people in the different part of the country. The variety of language made in India in multi-language country.
India, a country well known for its rich tradition and culture. Indian culture is the heritage of social norm, ethical values, traditional customs, political system, and technologies that originated from different parts of India. India has a wide variety of dance forms that include classical as well as folk. Each dance form is solely originated from different parts of India, although the roots can be traced from Natya Shastra. Some of the popular dance forms of India are Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Odissi, Manipuri, and many more. So, we can say nothing is more beautiful than Indian tradition and culture. Jai Hind.
सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है, ये प्यार का संगीत है।
ये शादी का गीत है, ये एकता का राग है,
भारत अनोखा राग है।
भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंज है जो जो रागिनी, सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी।
इस धुन में गाना एक है, इस धुन का गाना एक है।
Festivals play an important role in our lives. They add joy and happiness. Our traditional festivals are celebrated in every corner of our country. These festivals are associated with season, religion, and culture. Diwali is the biggest festival in our country. It is the welcome festival to commemorate Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya. Christmas is the main festival of Christians. Lord Jesus Christ was born in this day. The festival of Eid has great importance in Muslim religion. Festivals like Holi, Rakhi, Dasara, Mahashivratri, and many others are celebrated widely in India. Apart from these major festivals, Mahavir Jayanti of Jains, Buddha Jayanti of Buddhists, Guru Nanak Jayanti of Sikhs, and national festivals like Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, and Republic Day are also celebrated enthusiastically. All these festivals help us to stay connected with culture. They give us sense of joy and happiness. Jai Hind.
Indian foods are different from the rest of the world, not only in taste but also in cooking methods. It has a perfect mixture of various culture and ages. Just like Indian culture, food in India has also been influenced by various other civilizations, resulting in overall development and in the present form. Food in India is well known for its spiciness. Each state in India has different taste, be it like sweets, curry, rice, etc. But one must not forget that each spice added to the Indian dish has some or other medicinal and nutritional values.
As we all know, India is known for its different traditional clothes. Clothing in India is dependent upon the different climate and culture, tradition of the people of each religion of India. In festival occasion as well as rituals and dance performance, in urban areas Western clothing is common and uniform worn by people of all social levels. India also has a great diversity in terms of waves, fibers, colors and material of clothing. Sometimes color codes are followed in clothing based on religion and rituals concerned. The clothing in India also encompasses the wide variety of India embroidery, prints, handwork, style of wearing clothes. Talking about Bihar, Bihar ethnic cloth has dhoti and kurta for men. In Gujarat,
The traditional dress is Chania Choli most. So I have a question to all. Why we all are wearing so much amazing dress? Wearing traditional clothes represent national identity and love for the many people wearing the same traditional clothes together gives a feel of patriotism as well as a connectivity in culture and with each other as well as a sense of belongingness with the country. That's all I think it's sufficient for this question. And the last I would like to wish you all a happy 75th Independence Day. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.
Indian history is full of rise and fall of many kingdoms and empires. Monument built by the kings and they perform every period through light on the past history of India. These monuments exhibit the glory of India and are a part of cultural heritage. Almost all the state of India boast some of the other important historical monuments. Thousands of the tourists visit India to have a glimpse of its important historical places. Taj Mahal is one of the most famous and important buildings in the world. Taj Mahal was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan and was the tomb for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is among the seven wonders of the world. Qutub Minar also a significant historical moment. The minar rises over 230 feet. There are historical monuments like Puran Killa, Humayun Tomb, Jantar Mantar, and many. Puri is well known for 12th century of temple called Jagannath erected in the honor of Hindu god Vishnu. Golden Temple of Amritsar, Punjab is also known as Darbar Sahib. It is a great pilgrimage center of Sikh. Some of the other religious monuments called are Badrinath Temple, Dilwara Temple, Dakshineswar Temple, and Seven Pagoda, Lotus Temple, and Rameswaram Temple. India Gate was constructed in the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed in World War I.
28 states, 8 union territories, 122 major languages, 1599 other languages, 29 plus major festivals, 6 religions, 6 ethnic groups, 15 plus dance forms, varied traditions, culture, food, customs, and one country. Unity in diversity is India's strength. We find unity in every corner and simplicity in every Indian. We volunteers of NSS Project Laksh wishes you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.